K1 Hub Drive is an electric bicycle that excels in US safety standards. A 20-inch frame features 7 speeds for all-rounded ride. The name 1 spells out its premium performance. Dahon developed the lightweight folding bike K1 Hub Drive to include many of its patented technologies. A distinguished folder on our F-type frame. Singular lines and designs are made for sports. Ergonomic geometry means comfortable riding. Argon arc welding ensures a beautiful finish on this aluminum frame. An excellent ride and convenient travel wrapped up in dashing design elements. Specially formed central tubing is designed for stiffness and stability. Joints are carefully planned and welded for a strong and smooth result. A frame designed with disc brakes in mind. Precision front fork dropout angle. Ideal fit for the front hub assembly. BA hinge. 4-link structure. Safe and reliable locking. Fold or unfold quickly, easily, and with minimum effort. Forged aluminum alloy is strong and stylish. Rectangular reinforced down tube. Patented technology. Flattened and targeted, forming at the center line where the down tube meets the main frame, boosting longitudinal stiffness and frame strength. Deltec cable. Patented technology. The Deltec cable optimizes single-beam folding bikes into a stable triangular shape, transforming frame force distribution. Taking on maximum stress, Deltec reduces the load on the folding frame, greatly improving service life and load-bearing capabilities. Longitudinal rigidity is also increased by 35% for all-round rigid riding. Pedaling force is more effectively converted into propulsion, reducing energy loss. An easier feel than many road and mountain bikes. Cable routing of brakes, shifters, and Deltec is clean and tidy, with no effect on folding action. Deltec is a revolution for single-beam folding bikes. Improved Eiffel handle post. Folding volume is smaller and more compact. Square tubes smoothly fused with square fittings. Highly rigid, fast and easy to fold or unfold. Fasteners to fix handlebar stability after folding. Aluminum seat post, wide range max and min tolerance to match many rider heights. Dahon 8-speed hub motor and mid-mounted torque motor, clean, precise, and easy shifting. Patented battery safety design, integrated with the frame. Imported 36-volt 9.5 amp-hour high-performance batteries with 21700 battery cells. Boasts a maximum range of approximately 100 kilometers. Wheels. Dahon custom wheel set with rear hub motor facilitates light and powerful acceleration. Shimano 7-speed derailleur. High-resistance aluminum alloy double rims. Smooth and accurate performance. Safety disc brakes for secure braking, even in rainy or wet weather. Folded size, length 87 centimeters, width 39 centimeters, height 71 centimeters, weight 18.3 kilograms, max load 100 kilograms. Dahon is a brand with more than 40 years pedigree, Guinness World Record title for world's largest manufacturer of folding bikes. More than 500 multinational patents. Most folding bikes worldwide owe their heritage to Dahon's DNA. Collaborations welcome, except no imitations. Born from Dahon's awesome folding technology, with consistently excellent quality, other products cannot compare. Choose Dahon.